Hi grade sixes, we are going to be learning about fairness in Athenian democracy. Please make sure you're following along with your notes and writing the bold words in the blank. Please pause the video to make sure that you're spelling these words properly and they are in the correct blank. Okay, so was fairness part of Athenian democracy? In Canada, our laws are based on the values of fair and equal treatment of all people. Ancient Athenians had values they based laws on as well. 1. The most important idea was that it is fair that citizens be allowed to rule themselves. This is the basis of democracy. 2. Athenians believed that majority rule was fair. This meant that decisions were made by voting and that a law supported by more than half of the voters was passed. 3. Athenians believed that people who belonged to the same class in society should have equal rights. All male citizens had the right to belong to the assembly and vote. The only exception were people who committed crimes that would cause them to lose their citizenship, and these were clearly laid out in law. 4. Women, medics, and slaves were denied voting rights. 5. Slavery was an accepted part of Athenian society. A person's right to own another person was not even questioned by great Athenian thinkers like Socrates. 6. Individual and minority rights were not part of the thinking of Athenian democracy. The common good was the highest value. So use page 61 to answer the questions on page 18 of the booklet. Number 1, use the chart to compare the ideas of fairness, equity, and rights in ancient Athens and Canadian society. Check the box if the idea is true for each country. And number 2, to what extent were freedom and equity a part of ancient Athenian democracy? So off that question, think about, did all people have freedom and did all people have an equal opportunity in Athenian society?